Katie in the magic hammock. There's her guard dog right there. Say hi, Maggie. See, I'm guarding the magic hammock. Hey, magic hammock. Aha. See? Big spring. Cool. Magic hammock. Chihuahua? Oh, goodness. Baby in the magic hammock. Sleeping. Good baby. Good baby. She got her 2-month shots today, so she's not a very happy baby. But she's sleeping. Good magic hammock. Look at the baby in her pajamas. Yeah. Hey there. What you doing? I like your pajamas with the ducks on them. You like your new pacifier that has Winnie the Pooh on it? Ooh, look at that. Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh's upside down. Oh my goodness. Are you sleepy? We got our shots today, so we're a little tired. With these so cute little ducks on there. Good baby. I just want to take a picture of your pajamas. Thank you. Okay. Oh. Huh. I want to lick your hand. It's okay, Mag. You made her move. Maggie's making her move. Swing the swing, Mag. Swing the swing for her, Maggie. There you go. Swing the swing for her. What are you doing? What are you doing? Mag, be careful. Hey. Gentle. Gentle.